This is my 671. It's got twin Hollies on it. I want to put this enderle bird catcher on it. So I picked up this adapter from Alkydigger. It's billet aluminum. Adapts the bird catcher onto set up like this. This is what it looks like. It's just like that. And then this here. Sits about like that. It's $430, I think, for that adapter piece. And then a partial bird goes for $450 or so. Between the adapter, the bird catcher, and then this MPR filter here. It's a 10-inch filter. It's billet. It's got outerwear on it. I picked this up used, super cheap. Those are about 400 bucks. I picked that up for under 100. So I got $1,000 in the top end between the adapter, the bird catcher, and the filter. Then I paid $3,000 for the supercharger and carburetors, linkage, fuel lines, belt, pulleys, the whole 9 yards. But I just wanted to show you guys this filter. An adapter plate. And the bird catcher. It's been used.